Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change line color Canva. In the Canva presentation, you will go to the option Elements. There, click on the line located in the Shapes section. When the line is added, click on the line color option. It is possible to choose a solid color or use a gradient color. By clicking on the color, you can see the change immediately on the line in Canva. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.